Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the GeneralAire 12853 drum assembly, also known as part number 7302. This assembly consists of two plastic drum ends on a metal shaft, with an evaporator sleeve on the outside. On the side of the drum with a closed end, the metal shaft has two tabs sticking out. This end needs to go into the drum motor, while the other side rests on the bypass collar, where the 6-inch bypass duct is connected to the humidifier. The assembly sits in a water pan, slowly spinning and picking up water, which is then turned into humidity, as the hot air from the furnace passes through it. The drum does not need to be replaced unless there is excessive mineral buildup or it is damaged, in which case it should be replaced immediately. It can be cleaned with mild soap and water, but the evaporator sleeve should be replaced annually. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.